Thì con coi lá một chiếc kế ếch ê quá quá chính thống và nó sẽ là vô là một chiếc kế ếch ê chỉ quá băng trôi quá băng trôi khi lãng không thấy thành chính chính đất cao rồi chỉ đến trong thành càng vội vội một chiếc kế ếch I'm singing a Filipino song. Bông trái lá thì để con coi lá. Bông trái lá thì để con coi lá. Bông chỉ kéo ép quá quá chính thẳng. Để con coi lá bật kẹt ép chỉ hoang hoang thôi thì hoang thôi chứ làm thôi nó chẳng chính thẳng. Already I joined the server and there's someone kissing a chick. Why you look at that? Why you bullying me? Why you bullying me? What's a group of mammals here? Hey, stop doing that, bro. Oh yeah, that's it. Bông trái lắm chỉ để con coi lá một chiếc ếch quá quá chính thẳng chỉ để con coi lá một chiếc ếch chỉ làm thôi chỉ làm chính thẳng với chính thẳng được chỉ niệm trong chắc ta một chiếc ếch Let me manok na pula. Oh my god, that's not manok na pula. Hey, this is my sign for you. Oh, I was gonna press the 28. Hey, thingy. The 28 is here. Oh my god. What are you doing, manok na pula? Grab the thing! Oh, yes. Meow! Feel the wrath of my meow! Feel the wrath of my cat! Feel the wrath of my cat! Die! Baby, it's a die! Baby, it's a die! For me, I like my cat. No, you're not getting me chair. You're not getting me chair. No, it's following the Stop it! Okay, I'll give you a kitty cat. Bros, chill. Just kidding. Okay. Let me ride a kitty. Kitty! Don't kill it! Kill me! I lost my kitty! Bông trái là thì gì con coi lá một chiếc kế. Bro, what's that projectile? Wanna see my bomb? Bông trái là. Is that Titan chicken from Dragon Dude? What's that Titan chicken from Dragon Dude? So from the Dragon Dude channel. Why is Titan chicken doing here? And why is your username Waggy Huggy? Is that ridiculous? No, there's a chicken called Ruby. What the hell? Who did that? Who the fuck did it? Freaky. He's a freak. going toilet. Hey, why are you vibing through? Let me bind you real quick. Ah, I blinded you. I am invincible. I'm with my horsey. Horsey. Oh, may I like my horse, my pony, and my horse. Bông trái là bông trái là chỉ con coi lá bông trái oh, chính trọng. No, tiny chicken left. No. Hơi lá. Độ mà. Bông trái là chỉ để con coi lá bông trái Ora tinggal, ini itu bola, itu bukan itu tanggal makan. Say bye bye horse. Where's the bullets go? I'm done with it. I'm just kidding. I always thought this was a stick grenade. But no, it's a drummer. I thought it was freaking stick grenade. Is it me or I just saw a bicycle that's stuck? Bash your head with this. Bang, 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 bang. Let me see your farm. Zoom in. I'm hunting horses, bro. Feel the wrath of my slicing ears. Feel the wrath of my slicing ears. Feel the wrath of my slicing ears. It's damn. Worry. Ha 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 ha. Let's go. Stand ready for my arrival, worm. Hey yo, title card reference. Say bye bye to your cat, Munchie. It's gonna be gone, bro. It's gonna be gone. It's gonna be gone, my bro. How do you go? I can't grab it! What the hell? I'm a professional bomber. I'm gonna eat my big ass watermelon. Wait. Why you doing? Why you stepping on someone's? The red. Why is your eyes so big? Ew, it's that red TV dude. Why your face look abnormal? Why your face is abnormal? Why you crying? Bro has 4 arms. 4 arms from Bentonio. But it's chicken. What happened to you? Let me ride your plane, please. What the hell? This is the inside of the plane. Ow. Sup? Yo, Dragon Dude Faker, Dragon Dude Faker, Dragon Dude Faker, Dragon Dude Faker. Dragon Dude Faker. It's a Dragon Dude Faker. Take that, Dragon Dude. But, adios.